Students, today we are going to see addition and subtraction of money. So you already know how to add numbers. Numbers which are 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and even the bigger numbers. You already are very well known with the operations of addition and subtraction. Today we are going to see how to add money or how to subtract money. So students, the method of addition is just the same. The only thing you need to keep in mind that when you are adding money, you have to add paise to paise and rupees to rupees. Also, we should always keep in mind that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So, whenever we carry forward or whenever we borrow, we should always keep in mind that if we borrow from the rupees to paise, then we have to take it into 100 paise. And when we borrow 100, when we carry forward from paise to rupees, we should always take in mind that the number which goes from paise to rupees, if it is 100, then it will go to the rupee as 1. Right? Now let us see the example so that it becomes clear to you how to add or how to subtract the money. So here you can see the first one is add rupees 25.50 and rupees 52.50. So 2 units we can say, sorry not units, 2 numbers, that is 2 sums are given here, that is rupees 25.50 and rupees 52.50. Now we are going to add both these rupees. Here you can see that I have written paise under paise and rupees under rupees. So whenever you are starting with the addition, you have to start it from the smaller unit. So here the smaller unit is paise and the bigger unit is rupees. So first we will add the paise and then we will move on to adding of rupees. So here you can see in paise we have 50 and 50. So in unit place or in ones place we have 0 and 0. So when you add 0 to 0, you get 0 itself, right? And when you add 5 plus 5, the answer is 10. Here what we will do, we will write 0 over here and we will carry forward 1 in the rupee section. Now here it was 5 plus 5, 10. 50 plus 50 was 100, means 100 paise. So 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. And so when it goes to the rupee section, it is 1 rupee. Now we will count here. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8. So we write 8 over here. This is a decimal point which separates paise and rupees. The next we will see 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we will write 7 over here and we will write the symbol of rupees. So when we add 25 rupees 50 paise and 52 rupees 50 paise, we get the answer rupees 78. So students, this is the way how you have to add rupees and paise to the other rupees and paise. Now one more example we will see, which is about subtraction. So here you can see subtract rupees 58.50 paise from rupees 65. Yes, you have to subtract 58 rupees 50 paise from rupees 65. In this 65 we do not have any paise. So let us see how to do it. Here you can see I have arranged it. Below rupees I have written rupees and paise is written below paise. From 65 rupees we have to subtract 58 rupees 50 paise. So you can see here students, here first we will subtract the paise section, and in the above amount we do not have any paise. In the below we have it. So when you subtract 0 from 0, it's 0. So we write a 0 over here. Now we have to subtract 5 from this number and here we have only 0. So what we need to do, we need to borrow from rupees. So from 5 we will take 1 over here and here there is remainder is 4. So from 5 we take 1 here and this 0. So it becomes 10, right? So From this 10 we will subtract 5. So when you subtract 5 from 10, the answer is 5, right? Here we will write the decimal point to show the change. Here we have the paise and here we have the rupees. So we cannot subtract this 8 from 4, right? So what we will do, we have to borrow 1 from this 6. From this 6 we will borrow 1 over here, and here the remainder will be 5. So now we can subtract 8 from 14. So when we subtract 8 from 14, what we will get? We will get it 6, right? Yes, and now we will subtract 5 from 5. It is 0. So we will write the symbol of rupees over here. Yes, now you can see when we subtract rupees 58.50 from rupees 65, we get the answer rupees 650 paise. Right, students? So this is in the same way you have to solve exercise number 3, which is given in your textbook. Right? Now I will be showing you some word problems. Word problems you have already learnt it. How to solve the word problems. In this exercise, that is exercise number 3, we are having some addition sums and some subtraction sums. Also we are having some word problems. Now let us see how to solve these word problems.